Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Diving right into the market update here. Now is the time to accumulate. Now is the time to capitalize. You have until January 20th to get your stuff together. Let's dive in. Taking a look here at this article here, we see that Bitcoin social sentiment drops to a yearly low, signaling a Bitcoin breakout. Bitcoin can see another week of correction before it manages to recover above 100,000. Let's dive in. So here in this article, we see social sentiment around Bitcoin has hit its low point in 2024, which could signal incoming recovery above that 100K mark. And they see the chart here. And we take a look at our charts here. We see we talked about this the other day, that this level should be considered a major level, should be considered a higher low point. And if we break below this point, the next step is, at least temporarily, about $74,000. So with that being said, that's not something to be alarmed with. That's an opportunity. That's a little bit of a correction before making new highs. Now, I think this 91K threshold is a great point. It's a great point. It's a great level. It's shaking out a lot of people that got into the market, FOMO'd in. And we see here where we at with crypto fear, greed. We're just about in the yellow, so that makes sense. Makes sense that FOMO's pulling back, but you see a lot of the altcoins that pumped. There's not too much of a pullback, right? So Cardano's down to 94 cents, right? Coming from anywhere from 30 to 40 cents, right? So the pump that we saw isn't just going away, right? It's not just going away. And we see here that not too long ago, Cardano was at about 34 cents, even as low as 33 cents at some point, but pretty much stayed within that 30 cents for most of 2024. So we see here that Cardano sitting here at about 90 cents, and which is good, right? Which is good. So it didn't just lose all the gains, right? It's good. It's good where we're at. Even XRP staying there. Cardano's been floating, right? So now it's about 90 cents. A couple days ago, it was at about 94. Like it's pulling back, but nothing crazy, right? It's pulling back as it should with the rest of the market. We see here even Solana 183. We have XRP. And even Avalanche pulling back, and that sleeper that you guys were waiting for us to come out with this video, right? The sleeper that we were talking about, ICP, okay, pull back as well. And we're gonna be putting out that video. Don't worry, guys. But that is our sleeper for 2025 for sure. And a ton of pullbacks, and we're seeing even some 27% pullbacks for the past 7 days, which is crazy. But it's shaking out people in the markets. Fear, greed, 54, and just pretty much shaking people out, right? And we see here the social sentiment, as he talked about in this article. Vocal traders are now showing severe FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And that's good news for contrarians who know the markets move in the opposite direction of retail's expectations. So, with that being said, I think this time I agree with Tom Lee. Tom Lee came out with an article here, and he's saying recent market dip, an opportunity for investors. This is probably one of the only articles that you'll see that is giving you the right wisdom, right? Not just telling you what's happening, but also giving you that wisdom, saying, look, this is an opportunity. The opportunity is in front of you. You have an opportunity to capitalize. So here, veteran investor Tom Lee says investors are better off remaining bullish on markets despite recent corrections in equities and other risk assets, including Bitcoin. So we see here, we saw a dip in S&P 500. From 6,000 to 5832, and it's likely investors to go long rather than stay cautious, right? No risk, no reward, right? So we're seeing this with crypto, guys. We're seeing this with crypto. You're seeing blood on the streets, okay? You're seeing a pullback, and we've been telling you this time and time again, pullbacks are healthy. Pullbacks are healthy. So back to the article here. The market is bleeding lower, and he's saying here, I think what you had was people panicking to get out of a momentum trade that's ending because we're close to the end of the year. But here's the interesting thing: the forward futures curve barely moved, so it was almost as if people were seeking protection through the VIX on December 18th. So he talks about that, and pretty much giving you probably the most simple wisdom that we've seen out there, right? Utilize this as an opportunity to accumulate, right? This is an opportunity for you. We've said this time and time again before we popped in the bull market. When you see red and when you see the crypto fear greed go out of green, we are accumulating. I don't care what's happening. We're buying, hands down. Okay. So this is our signal to buy. We're going to be accumulating, just padding up some positions that we already have and just bracing ourselves for the bull market. Like the people that can't stomach this, and I'm gonna just keep it real, the people that can't stomach moves like this don't deserve the upside. You need to be able to stomach the downsides and think long term in order to, be rewarded for the upside. This is what comes with it, guys. So definitely want to highlight this and give you guys some value in this video. Hope you guys got some value. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.